If you are not more than 55 years of age and you want to get work permit, 5 years work permit in Canada, and your partner gets open work permit as well, I mean, that means your partner is free to work because of your own 5 years visa, and your children under 22 years of age gets study permit for free, and your employer handles your settlement support instead of you stressing yourself and going through this whole process alone. This video is for you. Watch till the end. Follow me step by step as I shall be showing you how this application is done, how this whole process is done, the requirements you need, the timing, when it is ending, and the type of employers you need, the type of skill that is needed here, the type of employment they are looking for. Hi, if you're seeing my channel for the first time, my name is Hebzi. Welcome to Migrate with Hebzi. Here we talk about how to migrate either with study route or work permit. Today I shall be walking you through on how to take advantage of this pilot that has been on since 2022, and it will be ending next year. So that rings a bell. It shows that you are supposed to hit the ground running as fast as you get hold of this video. I shall be walking you through a pilot program in Canada known as New Brunswick Critical Work Pilot. Guys, follow me step by step. I shall be taking you to the screen to show you how this is done and what you need to do to take advantage of this without wasting time anymore. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, please give us a thumbs up. Like us, so YouTube will also recommend our video to others who are interested in this kind of content, and also share this video to as many as you know are within this age bracket, 18 to 55 years of age. This video will be helping someone. Of course, we grow when we help others. Do not keep it to yourself, and do not discard it. Watch till the end, and also share with those that are in need of this. With that being said, let me take you right away to the screen and show you how this application is done, the things you need to do, how to do the whole process without much stress. Let's get right in. The Critical Worker Pilot Program page. On this page, you're going to be seeing employers participating. You're going to be seeing candidates participation. New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot process map. Getting started, submitting your application, and getting nominated after nomination anyway. So what is this program all about? The New Brunswick Critical Work Pilot Program is a 5-year pilot program that addresses critical labor shortages in various sectors and across different regions in the province of New Brunswick. The pilot program was created to attract skilled workers to occupations that have been and will continue to be difficulty to fill the New Brunswick in the years to come. The New Brunswick Critical Work Pilot is an employer-driven stream based on targeted recruitment for skilled workers, and therefore candidates' application to pilot programs are made through the participating employers. There are about 6 employers or more. You will be getting to know them. The program does not accept direct application from interested candidates. You heard that. So let's get started. Let's know the first steps. Let's know what the New Brunswick immigration program is about, using a representative or after nomination and all of that. Okay, so let's go straight to employer participation. Employers participating in the pilot program are selected based on demonstrated experience and consistent use of both provincial, federal economic migration over at least the past 3 years. All right, guys, there are a lot of contents to read here, so I will just go to the main thing here. The pilot program remains limited in its scope, and as such, is not currently open to broader participation. So it's just few employers that are participating, just 6 employers. We will be regularly evaluating the performance of this pilot program and opportunities and all of that. So employers interested in learning about how New Brunswick program may be able to support their workforce needs, they can visit here. So remember I told you your proof of fund and everything, the processing details are done by your employer. So this is a full package that is almost like free. You are getting the offer from your employer. They are also processing your work permits, also giving your partner open work permits, giving your children that are below 22 years open study permits rather. Isn't that amazing? So, and you do not also bother about proof of fund. The only thing you'll be doing might be to just get some English proficiency, a very low one, very, very low. So this is just amazing. Candidates participation. So what is expected of the candidates? All I've been reading has been about the employer anyway. So sorry guys, these are the participating employers here. I said it earlier, there are about 6. You have Coke Aquaculture, so that's in agriculture. JD Ivering Limited, Group Savio, Group Westeco, Imperial Manufacturing Group, MC Kane Food. So it's basically for those within the food. So you can take a note of these 6 employers, search their sites and know. Just go to your Google bar, search bar, and put these names. You'll be able to see if they have what you're looking for. Basically, agriculture is here, food processing is here, and some trade and I think construction companies are here at the same time. The New Brunswick, so the candidates participation, you that wants to apply, this is how you participate. The New Brunswick critical work pilot is an employer-driven stream based on targeted recruitment for skilled workers, and therefore candidates applications to the pilot program are made through the participating employer. The program does not accept direct application from the interested candidate. Yes, it was said earlier. There are no recruitments under the program to send your resume to Immigration New Brunswick. To learn about the program, okay guys, so everything you need to see is in this place. You go to find out the available job sites. I've shown you the 6 up there. I might be writing them down in the description box of the video so you get hold of it and search for them. Learn about the job opportunities. You go visit www.newbrunswickjobs.car. To learn more about New Brunswick economic program, please visit migration program stream. All of these are in the page. That's why I'm reading them out. So New Brunswick Critical Pilot Program. To get started, accept an offer from a participating employer. So you must search for these employers, send in your application to them, create an expression of interest account. When you get to the site, each of them, you see a place to create expression of interest account. Just put in your details, your name, why you want to make it clear to them your intention that you want to work in New Brunswick. They want to be sure you want to work there. Even though the work is not, just have, within 2 years, you can work for the employer. With 6 months, you apply for PR. Guys, I didn't remember to say that. Within 6 months of working with the first employer, you are free to apply for PR. Isn't that cool? So that is one of the benefits. So you don't need plenty work experience. Submit your application to the government of New Brunswick. Add information to submitting your application. Settlement plan. Submit the permanent resident application to Immigration IRCC. Receive a decision from Immigration. So this is just the step to getting started. You must accept a genuine offer. So the basic thing is the offer. So make sure in applying, make sure you go first to the site and put your CV in the Canadian format. Why is this taking so much time? All right, it has opened. The guys are too many, guys. About 23 pages. Like, seriously, it's gonna be a long reading. So what will happen if you want to take your time, when you get here, take your time, read the guide first, so you get to know the requirements. But it's not far from what I have said. And you just need a little English proficiency score. CLB4 is what you need. Okay, I'm here. Let me just go straight to the eligibility requirements and read them out, so people can hear at the same time. Description. Oh, this is long. Okay. Intent to reside. That's important. One of the most important eligibilities is that you must have the intention. State it there that you want to, you have the intention of reside in New Brunswick. If you make it look like you're not sure, they will not grant you. So if there is anything to write, if there is any write-up, if there is any statement of purpose, statement of intent, make sure you include it there, that you are going to be residing in. You're so much interested in genuine intention to reside in New Brunswick. So it's a this is very clear. It is a responsibility to prove a genuine. Can you see, guys? This is important to them. They don't want you to, come and say, anyway, I just want to get to work with. No, tell them you love New Brunswick. Find out the reason why you love the place and why you want to remain there. You want to work there. You want to stay with them. The intent to reside in the province will determine your level of nomination. So don't forget. All right, to demonstrate intent, you must be asked to demonstrate your attachment to New Brunswick. That may include, but not limited to, description of any action you have taken to permanently settle in New Brunswick, current employment in New Brunswick, employer search detail, length of previous and current period residence, community involvement, ability to support yourself. There are a whole lot of them. Read them up all. Just play around the side. It has like 23 pages of contents that you need to read, but the most important ones are the ones I feel you need to. Candidate eligibility requirements, you need to know that. So find out, ability to support yourself. So that's a little fund that will be in your hand is important. Detail to visit Canada, and residency, including household lease and all of that. So these things are important, guys. I can't read all of them, but when you get here, make sure you read them and make sure you take advantage of, pay attention rather to everything they're going to be saying here. This will determine your nomination. I wish you guys all the best. I'm rooting for you guys. That has been my prayer. Lord, in 2026, as many as are interested in relocating, provide the money needed, provide everything they need to relocate, also grant them favor. This is my prayer for you. I'm rooting out for all of you. You will get the best. See you all in my next one. Bye.